down the street, and it's concrete, and then it turns into stone. And I'm like, okay, and then it turns into dirt with like these ruts. And I'm like, he's gonna come down here and kill us.
Yeah, he knows we're gonna get stuff.
He was just talking about how he doesn't like people like coming through there. And
that's funny.
It's got cold.
Yeah, I'll say.
That's the only time I think I've ever been
Purple, get in there!
Sledgehammers. I think that's the only time I've been scared for my life. Walk right
Did you not bring a jacket? Really? Was it big before?
Get ready, man.
Get it, Gavin.
Yes.
When he lifts his arms.
Get in there, Gab. Good job. Come on. Oh, good block.
This is ridiculous that yesterday was 90 and now it's
Yeah, that was a record.
Yeah, it's the high for the week is 63.
Oh, my toes are like, I think they're frozen solid.
Yeah, I guess.
Now what time?
These are Ranger socks.
I know. I was thinking, I'm not giving up flip-flops yet.
She usually wears those when we go to the fair, and then she's sorry because you know how you're walking around in.
Yeah, this year I did not do that.
Come on, Gav, get it, get it.
There you go, guys, get it.
Block that kick.
Block it.
Come on, Max. Oh, good save, good save.
Max, when that ball's near that goal, shoot! Get the ball, attack the ball!
I'm open.
Attack that ball!
Get it, Gav!
Come on, Max! Come on, Max!
Get it. Oh, good block.
Nice block.
Max, attack that ball!
Get closer, Gavin, get closer.
You guys have a hard time getting it to you.
Oh, good block. Get up, good block.
Come on, Max! Max, go!
Come on, guys, get it.
Get it, Gav.
Nice shoes.
This is our shoe.
Look at the shoe. The white and gold stripe.
Did he get new ones?
No.
They look good though.
Come on, Max! Good job, Max! Go, go!
Come on, Gavin, put a toe on it. Let's go, get it. That's it. Get it again.
Good job, Max!
Get it again. Get it again.
Good job, Max!
Block it. Nice block. Nice.
That would look really nice though. I think I saw
That's my nice one!
I had a pair of tights regardless. I'm gonna try on passes because I'm waiting to get it out.
Yeah, really, that's a good idea. Where are you going?
Good. Come on, take it up. Take it up.
Yeah.
What kind of dress are you looking for? You know, you have to get a short dress. Yeah, Washington's supposed to go into that. Did he say he won't?
thought that's how I was going to get back and finish up. I didn't finish, so I'm like, yeah, you'll wait till tomorrow. We'll go tomorrow.
Good job, Max.
By the time the mall opens. That's going to be weird. Having
Go! Go! Shoot that goal! Shoot the goal!
Oh no! Oh, that's the first one today.
First one today.
Wasn't last week 1-0?
1-0, yeah.
Come on, Purple, gotta get in there.
Good job, Red. Good block, Max.
No, some of them are 8.
Good job, Max. Oh.
Get it, Gavin!
Attack that ball, Max. Come on.
Get it, Gavin!
Good job, Max.
Good one. Good block. Good block. Get it, Gavin! Good shot. Good pass. Get it, Gav!
Get in front, Mason. Go, Mason. Get in front. Max, get that ball. Good job.
All right.
That's what I told her. You could bring your stuff.
I had just gotten practically everything in the house except the light. I probably only have one, but it's not that bad.
Right there, Mason.
Well, we have the warranty.
Yeah, really. No kidding. That's not it. It really is.
Thank God we bought the extended one because our warranty had expired. We bought the washer in 2006 and it expired.
Ooh. Get ready, Gavin!
Alright, guys.
Good pass. Good pass.
Small kick. Max,
And I'm like, I
way to hustle. You're doing really good.
He's like, well, yeah.
Good job, Red.
You don't want to sit there and have the grass
Oh, good shot.
Yeah.
Good shot.
Got closed a lot.
Watch that ball.
Yeah, and I felt like such a loser because I was like, that long, like,
Yeah, I know.
well, they ordered the part.
he's
He
gonna
hear the noise I was making, and he thinks that it's from.
All right.
Come on, Max. Get it.
Come on, go, Max.
The guy's gonna come with the part.
Nice
I should make him
Nice
play
footwork.
the part.
Kick it out of there.
I should make him-
Get ready.
Good job, Max. Get in front.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll keep fixing it until the
How much
warranty-
was the warranty?
like an extra
A month?
No. Oh, weird.
Come on, Max. Kick it out of there. Kick it out of there.
Get in there, Gavin. Get in there.
Here's the little boy next to me.
Take a shot at the goal when you get one, Max. Come on.
Oh, come on,
He
guys.
was a good friend.
Get it up there. Come on.
Over again.
Oh, I don't know.
Go, Max.
Or Jacob.
Jake, is that who he was talking to there?
Ooh.
I thought he was.
Good job, Mason. Come on.
Good save. Nice one. All right.
Woo! Come on, Purple.
Can't you come out further?
Go, Mason.
Good block, yeah.
Can the kid that's doing the volley thing come out further?
Good job, Max.
That's what I thought. He should come out.
And actually, you should come out harder as you can this fast.
Because you know what they were having Gammon do? They were having him he was running down and then throwing and kicking and yeah, like
Come on, Max.
You can't get out. Yep.
Oh,
Grab it. That's it.
good job, Max. Come.
Before, Gavin was playing up and down the field, which is too much. And now he should be a little bit more mobile than what he is. Get it, Gavin!
Good job, Max.
Go get it, Gab!
oh, really?
He was so busy talking, he didn't see it.
Come on, Max.
You can do it!
Kick.
Carson used to stand in the field.
Our Ben used to be out in the field digging. Oh my gosh. Crazy. And Adam couldn't be in the game anymore. He's like, you know, wait, no balls.
Good
coming
job,
to
Max. Good job, Mason.
Keep it in, Mason.
Small kicks, Mason. Max,
Get it,
shoot.
Gavin! Nice save. Oh, bad shot. Oh!
Oh, that was good.
Max, 3 shots at goal. That was awesome. You don't have to get one. Just try, buddy. You're doing good. What?
All right, nice kick. Gavin should go up to about middle field, never go any further. The other guy should go the whole way. They're centers, they're wings.
Hey, Gab!
Move up a little, Gav.